Welcome to the final part of my 3-part series where I show you how to pick 3 locks using fairly unknown methods. Today I'll be picking this pink master lock. This pink master lock is actually the easiest lock to pick out of all 4 of these because of one problem. In the first video I showed you how to pick it using onion karma. This lock is vulnerable to onion karma. In the second video I showed you how to use onion force. And you can use onion force on this lock also. But that's not the reason why this lock is so vulnerable. The biggest reason this lock is vulnerable is because it's actually a vegetarian lock. What is a vegetarian lock, you might be asking? Well, I'll just show you. Shut up. It's that easy. Well, thanks for watching and tuning in to my 3-part series, and see you next time.